What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. Today, we are talking about BTC and how it looks like Apple computers in 2008. So without further ado, if you guys are not a subscriber to my channel, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button for me, as well as sharing this video with your friends. And with that being said, let's get straight into it. So starting off here with Bitcoin on the left and Apple computers on the right. Now in 2008, Apple computers did a very, very large correction. In other words, a lot of people were panic selling their Apple stock because they believed that prices were going to go a lot lower. I think that Bitcoin is going through the same human psychology today as Apple computers did back in 2008. Now you guys can see the similarities right off the bat. First of all, Bitcoin, or BTC in this case, go check out my other videos if you want updates on BSV. BTC looks very similar to Apple computers in 2008. Now, as you guys know, Apple computers has real-world demand. It is a real company with real-world demand. A lot of people buying products on a regular basis. BTC also has real-world demand. We can circle the volume down here, and you guys can see that the volume is actually at least 3 to 7 times larger than it was back in 2020. So we actually have a significantly larger demand inside of the cryptocurrency markets as a whole. So what does this entail? Well, this means that BTC has a very high probability of seeing more upside, seeing more growth. Right now, it's worth $22,000. What can easily happen here is a pullback, just like what Apple computers did right here after it broke out of its falling wedge pattern. You guys can see that wedge right there, just like how Bitcoin just broke out of a wedge pattern. Prices broke out and then they pulled back. This would not shock me one bit to see BTC prices pull back here before picking up some momentum and starting to accelerate. Now, it can easily break its all-time high with conviction, but it's not going to do that in 3 months. It's not going to do that in 1 month. It could do it in a year. That is what I suspect for a realistic reversal here on BTC. Within a year, I wouldn't be at all surprised to see prices back up to the levels they were at in 2021 when crypto was cool and everybody was excited and everybody was FOMO buying back when they thought it was cool. Now that prices have dropped, a lot of people are like, oh, crypto's stupid. You know, it's popular to just say FTX. But if you guys do a little bit of research on human psychology and market psychology and developing technologies like cryptocurrency, you'll easily see the opportunity right in front of your face. And this opportunity is big. We're talking about the type of opportunity that can completely change somebody's life financially, even with very small amounts. I make these videos directed more towards people that have $5,000, $10,000 and higher to invest, that are looking to make 10 times their money, 20 times their money over the period of multiple years rather than 1 day or 2 days or whatever. So that's who I'm kind of making these videos for. However, I've helped a lot of people that only started with $500, $1,000 and smaller amounts, and they've been able to make large sums of profit, you know, $10,000, $50,000 investing inside of the cryptocurrency markets. And I believe that opportunity is here right now. In fact, I only started personally with $1,000 in my portfolio investing in the crypto markets and was able to do very, very well inside of these markets. Changed my life investing in crypto. So you don't need tons of money to change your life. You just need patience, and you need to understand that it's going to take some time to get there, and also a little bit of faith to buy the dip when everybody else is selling, or they think crypto is done and over with, or it's not cool to be part of it anymore. Just like the stock market in 2008, the housing financial crash had just happened. It was not cool to be investing in the stock market in 2008. In fact, what was popular, what was cool, and what the common kind of thing people were doing was selling their stocks in 2008. The same thing I believe is true for the crypto markets right now here in 2023, preparing for a large reversal in this industry as a whole. You guys, cryptocurrency, I've said this in a lot of my videos, but I'd like to reiterate this fact that crypto is just like the internet. This technology is not going anywhere. It's going to continue to get developed. There's billions of dollars of institutional money continually investing inside of these companies and coins and projects. They're going to keep doing that. So it's really just whether you're willing to take advantage of the opportunity right in front of you. And so that's why I decided to make today's video. BTC looks amazing down here, $22,000. With that being said, you guys, I would not be at all surprised to see a little bit of a pullback, just like Apple computers here. It could go a little higher before it does, but don't be shocked if we test 18,000, 19,000 before we start to make a big picture reversal on BTC. So that's kind of my view on BTC, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little update and found some value in it. If you did, hit that like button for me, as well as sharing it with your friends. That really means a lot for me. Join the free Discord. Links are in the description below. And join the Mastermind program. Apply below to tune in every single week to live sessions and learn the ins and outs of investing to transform your portfolio and your life with profit and financial gain inside of these markets. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love and appreciate you. And as always, stay profitable out there.